fam, it's your girl Mattie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to look around, make sure to subscribe and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss a thing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm glad you can make it back in good health. So guys, let's dive into today's video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an easy anti-aging face mask without breaking the bank, and we'll be needing just 2 or more ingredients. And the main ingredients for this face mask is potatoes. Yes, we'll be using potatoes for this face mask. Potatoes are rich in vitamin B6 and vitamin C, as well as calcium, potassium and magnesium. All these nutrients helps promote cell growth and also firms the skin and hydrates the skin, and also it lightens dark spots. But as for the dark spots, I am not too sure about the dark spots because I haven't used the mask for a very long time, like consistently for over a week or so, for me to confirm if it actually lightens dark spots. But trust me, I'm going to work on something and I'll share that with you guys. And also for this face mask, we'll be using another ingredient for this face mask. Yes, this is it. Oh my goodness, this is it. Greek yogurt. We'll be using plain Greek yogurt for this face mask. Yogurt contains anti-aging properties. It also gently exfoliates the skin from dead skin cells, and it tightens pores. It also prevents us from harmful free radicals from damaging our skin. So guys, this face mask, you're ready in 5 minutes. Trust me, 5 minutes. Prep time is 5 minutes. First off, we need to wash our potatoes. We need to wash it clean because of dirt and germs. After washing, you need to peel your potatoes. You won't be using the back of the potato for this facial mask today. So peel it up and get your grater and get ready to grate. And after grating, we move on to step 2. Our mask is half already, and for the next step, we'll be adding yogurt. I'll be using plain Greek yogurt, like I mentioned earlier. I'll be using a tablespoon of yogurt, and for the moisturizing benefit of honey, I'll be adding a half tablespoon of honey. So mix all together and you're set. It's that simple, guys. So our mask is ready. As you can see, it looks yummy, but don't eat it. It's made of raw potatoes. So guys, I did this much because my siblings will be using it, and you need to use this mask immediately. It's not something you can preserve because of the oxidation of potatoes. So, and also don't forget to clean your face before application. Mine was already clean. I cleaned my face this morning, and you need to clean your face before application so that you don't apply it on dirt.
Don't forget to apply on your neck. It needs some loving too. Else your face is not going to age, but your neck will age.
Before application, always make sure you test patch, and I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes so everything gets soaked in, Okay, this is me after I've washed off. How do you like my face? You like what you see? For visible result, I would recommend you try this mask twice a week. Yes, twice a week for visible results. And don't forget to test patch before application, and after you're done, do not forget to apply your moisturizer. Trust me, you really need to apply your moisturizer. Guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking with me, and I hope you really enjoyed this. And let me know if you're going to try this at home in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on your way out. I will see you on my next one.